Dear students, good morning everybody. I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. It is a class for political science. Dear students, in previous classes, we discussed about the designing of constitution, in which we talked about the struggle against the apartheid in South Africa, because South Africa's constitution is considered as the model of the constitution of democratic world. Each country was denounced earlier by the world. Now it has become the model of the democracy in all over the world. Today we will talk about the towards a new constitution, means how was South African constitution designed or drafted. Here we would like to go in background of the designing of South African constitution. Dear students, as protest continued against apartheid imposed by the white government, then the white government realized that no longer they could keep blacks under the rule of repression or repressive rule. So, white government brought major changes in its policies. Now question rises here. Sometimes question also may be asked that what changes white government did bring in its policies after the struggle against the apartheid in South Africa. Then the following changes were brought by the white government in its policies. They were removal of ban on political parties, replacement of discriminatory laws, removal of restrictions on the media, etc. As well as the releasing from the imprisonment of the Nelson Mandela and the other leaders. Finally, at the midnight of 26 April 1994, the national flag of the Republic of South Africa was unfurled, marking the newly born democracy in the world. Dear students, as at the midnight of the 14th August 1947, the national flag of India was unfurled and got independence. Similarly, at the midnight of 26 April 1944, the new national flag of the Republic of South Africa was unfurled, marking the newly born democracy in the world. The apartheid government came to an end and paved way for the formation of a multiracial national government. The question may be asked in another ways also. How did apartheid government come to an end? Similarly, you can answer that apartheid government came to an end by following ways. First point will be, as the protest and struggles against apartheid continued or increased, the white government realized that no longer they could keep blacks under the repressive rule. The white government brought some changes in its policies. They replaced white regime replaced the discriminatory laws. They removed ban on the political parties, media, released political leaders from imprisonment. Finally, at the midnight of 26th April 1994, the new national flag was unfurled of the Republic of South Africa. Thus, apartheid government came to an end. Now question rises here that how did this come about? Or how did the new national flag was unfurled and South Africa became a republic? Let us hear the Nelson Mandela, the first president of the new South Africa, on this extraordinary transition. Historical enemies succeeded in negotiating a peaceful transition from apartheid to democracy exactly because we were prepared to accept the inherent capacity of goodness in the other. It means if we are prepared to accept the inherent goodness of the repressor, they will have to agree. They will have to accept the peaceful negotiation. Similarly, Nelson Mandela said that blacks were prepared to accept the inherent goodness of the repressive white government. That's why the repressive white government had to be ready for negotiation. My wish is that South Africans never give up on the belief in goodness. Dear students, we must never forgive the goodness. Similarly, Nelson Mandela also said that South Africans never forgive the goodness, believe on the goodness. They cherish that faith in human beings, which is the cornerstone of our democracy. It means not be forgiving on the belief of goodness, not forgiving the faith in the human beings. They all are the cornerstone of democracy. It means whenever we do not trust on each other, when we do not believe on the goodness, democracy is not possible.